Hindi na makapaghintay ang actor, singer at record producer na si James Reid na makatrabaho si Catherine Bernardo para sa kauna-unahan nilang teleserye sa ABS-CBN na magsisimula ang taping ngayong Setyembre. Ito rin ang magiging comeback teleserye ni James matapos ang halos 7 taong pamamahinga sa pag-arte. Ayon sa kanya, magkahalong excitement at kaba ang nararamdaman niya ngayon lalo't katambal niya ang box office superstar na si Catherine. Sabi ni James, "I'm very excited and very blessed. Grabe yung support and it hasn't even started shooting yet. So I'm very grateful. And I can't wait to work with Kat. Very excited. Yeah, it's something new and exciting." Matagal na rin umanong pangarap ni James na makatrabaho si Catherine. Pero ngayon lang natupad. Dagdag pa niya, "Actually, it's something that I wanted to do for a while. So I'm very grateful I get to work with Catherine. She's extremely talented, so it should be great." Hindi rin itinago ni James na ramdam niya ang pressure sa pagbabalik teleserye matapos ang ilang taon. "It's very new again. I'm still getting used to it. There's always pressure, but pressure is good. It means people have high expectations. It means everyone's very excited." Ang teleserye ay ipoproduce ng Dreamscape Entertainment, ngunit wala pang inilalabas na detalye tungkol sa tema at konsepto nito. Gayunpaman, nangako si James na gagawin niya ang lahat para maging matagumpay ang kanilang pagtatambal. Aniya, "It's something we're going to work out along the way. It's very exciting. It's my first time working with another leading lady. So I'm trying to just give it my best, give it my all, and then see what happens. Hope for the best."